Yeah, watch him. And I climb. Watch my brother going to himself. Y'all see the fitness run in the family. Watch Tyler, but Jesus have mercy, God. Go on, Tyler. Yes, Tyler. Go on, Ty. Yes, Ty. You see influence that you have on kids do. Go on, Ty. Yeah, Ty. Yes, Ty. Do it. Watch Kana.
The queen is coming. The star is coming.
Mama, I climbed this.
Sarah.
Mama, look. Let's play the car. No, no.
Come, Olivia, come. Come, Connor, come.
3.
Come.
Yoo-hoo.
Come, Connor,
Fly.
come to Auntie.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hi, Fizz. Good morning, morning. Good afternoon and good night. How are you guys doing? How am I doing? I'm hot. Hot. You're giving thumbs up. You good? I'm hot. Our car wasn't in the garage last night, and when we came out to go in it from the outside parking, everybody's bottom was burning off. That's how hot it is. Sarah, say morning. Morning, Faves. Sarah, say morning, Faves. So why the delay response, Tyler? Hey, and you guys get thumbs up from babe. That's all they getting, honey? Thumbs up?
You're blocking the mirror. Thank you.
Really? Say morning.
Good morning.
Alright, you guys, so today is mission party planning again. Party pickup. So tomorrow is Tyler's birthday, so tomorrow speaks for itself. But today I have all his little fandangles that I haven't pick up as yet to pick up today. So today is cake pickup, today is some fandangles pick up, and also Tyler will be getting a room upgrade by the weekend. So I need to go and purchase paint to repaint Tyler's room, because I'm taking out the blue from Tyler's room. If you guys been watching for a while and know how Tyler's room is, it's in blue and white. It's Paw Patrol, but Tyler has long outgrown Paw Patrol and he's into Naruto and Star Wars mostly right now. So we are changing his room. Sarah will get an upgrade also, because Sarah is ready for a big girl bed and out of the crib, so they're both gonna get upgrades. So yeah, so that's what I'm heading to do today. So I'm just gonna take you guys along each little stop. Today is holiday here in France. What holiday is today, honey? Assumption Day. What is Assumption Day? What does that mean? What are they assuming? No, it's something religious. Watch this white car. Like babe says, something religious. So today is holiday, but everywhere is still open, so that's good. We can go and get things done. So have a good day. Enjoy the rest of today's vlog as we carry you along today. Catch up and keep up. Subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, and we'll see you guys in these hot streets. We're in the home store trying to find paints. No, come back up here. You can turn around. Turn and put your foot this way. Turn. See? Ta-da! Hamsa. That's better? You're right. Trying to decide which one? C'est blanc intérieur, c'est ça? Oui. Shh. So baby's trying to find the right paint because though it's a white paint that we need to realize that some white paint is interior, some is for special kind of material. So we have to be very careful with the one that we get. So we're trying to find the right one. So I think he's gone for a consultant. Yes, sit. Got our paint and now we're in the supermarket picking up some little knicks-knacks before we head to pick up Tyler cake. So supermarket it is. Oh, but it's similar. It's almost the same thing. No? That one is almost the same thing in your hand. It looked like the medicine one that I don't like. No, the one you have in your hand. I'm just saying they all look the same.
Mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, hope to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard, or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait, no.
Come in. She was behind you. Of course the kids find a playground.
It's living with no shame. Wait, no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well, I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Hi you guys, it's been a minute. I got back off the road. I didn't even show you guys when I went to the store, the place to pick up Tyler cake, but I got Tyler cake and got home. I won't show you Tyler cake until tomorrow though. And we went to the store and these are a few things that I picked up. I'm gonna season up these wings right now for tomorrow. I think these wings is enough. I'm not gonna take out the one that I have in the fridge. By the time I cut each of these in half, they should be fine. Come for the orange juice, babe. Got orange juice for tomorrow.
Orange.
I picked Tyler up some.
Mama gonna give you.
Please.
Second in swimming. Second in swimming woman.
Okay, pick Tyler up some necessaries for school. We pick him up the things that we know that will definitely be on the list. Like his favorite pens. He likes the pens with the rubber at the end, so we pick him up some of those. We pick him up lots of pencils. What? You want juice? We pick him up different color pens. Okay, come for juice. We pick him up greens and reds and blacks and blues. Where's the cup?
Can I have some juice too, Mama, please?
Sure. What kind of juice you want?
Orange.
Orange juice?
Orange juice? It's around the back or here?
No, I think it's here. Sorry, is orange juice you want?
Orange juice you want?
Say yes, Mama.
Yes, Mama.
Tyler, get your cup, please.
Okay, please. So, okay, what cup can I want?
Everybody wants juice. Juice break. Here you go. You're welcome. Give it to me. Thank you. There you go. You're welcome. Alright, you guys, I also picked myself up some olive oil because my olive oil finished. I pick up a small Nutella because Tyler says he wants crepe at his party tomorrow, so I have an extra crepe and I have an extra Nutella. I don't have to use the one that we're using at home for ourselves. I also picked Tyler up some whiteout because I realized that Tyler make a lot of mistakes at school when he's writing and he's always crossing it out and it's not pretty at all. So I buy two different kind. I buy this one where you just run the thing across like a tape looking thing, like whiteout. I don't know how to explain it. So that's this one, and then I buy the pencil whiteout, which this one I used to love using this one when I used to go to school. So I buy those, and I buy the homework book. They have specific homework book in France where it's labeled the days of the week and he writes his homework whichever day it is. So we get him the homework book because that book is a must when we're going to school here. And I got him a new sharpener, though he have a few in his room. I got flour to make crepe for party tomorrow. I have all the other ingredients, and I buy some extra candy because I'm out of these for Sarah personal use. I have all the party goodies already, so I didn't need to pick up that. Now I'm on to making dinner, and for dinner today I am making fries.
We're not supposed to take up the pizza.
No, we changed our mind. Auntie Daniel's gonna pick it up tomorrow and bring it when she comes.
Just right for
And then for Papa, we have jerk chicken remain, and also for myself. And tomorrow I'll be eating everything inside a Tyler party. So diet's day off tomorrow.
Mama, when was the last day you eat only healthy? See?
The day before Papa's birthday. Sure, the day before.
So what happened to the ice cream that was before that? Look like your diet is up since a long time.
Leave me alone.
I'm coming, brother. Oh.
Today we're going to play at the playground. And we're going to invite some of our friends who live in this house. The house has 4 doors. 1,
Sarah, no.
2,
Catch a spider.
and 4. 1 for each of our...
Alright you guys, a quick visual on my mind. Don't worry, a lot more things gonna be added to it. It's just I'm getting the family dinner out of the way first. Tyler's, Sarah's, and Babe. And I'm gonna add salad to mine. Yeah, so that's dinner for today.
Square, cross, and circle. I wonder...
Sorry, you going to slide with Connor and Uncle?
Hold on. Allez Tyler, on t'attend. Go Sarah.
Woo! Yeah! Watch Connor face. Bravo, Connor! See ya?
First one is the most important.
Oh yes, you better get it right at first, or else you not go back on it.
Yeah, all I need are some better days. Is all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
The queen is coming. The star is coming.
Mama, I climbed this.
Sarah,
Come on. Toto, Mama, look. Look, Toto, we're playing in the pond. No, no.
Come, Olivia, come. Come, Connor, come.
3.
Come.
Yoo-hoo.
Come, Connor,
Fly.
come. Come to Auntie.
Fly.
Come on. Let's go. Come, Olivia. Olivia, come with Auntie.
Go that
Come.
side. Slide.
Come, slide.
Ready, set. Come on. Come on. Show them what you got. Show them what you got, Mama.
Yay! Olivia, good job.
Slide. Come on, slide.
So we can alone go in Japan in Baji today.
Hello. We just make him alone go and ride for the batty. He said, no, sir, not the next one alone. He's too light. Come.
Yeah, I know this.
The kids enjoying the park. Look at them. Tyler over there trying to figure out his monkey bar. Sarah on the slide. Go, Sarah. Wee. Okay, go. That's one. Go, Ty. You're wasting your time at the park. Not true. Well, a little fun, but watch out. Everybody abandoned the park and running around. Come, my youth. Go on, your turn. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey. Turn it now. Turn it. Yeah, brother. Come, baby, your turn. Baby, so we are talk to. Yeah, watch him. And I climb. Watch my brother going to himself. Y'all see the fitness run in the family. Watch Tyler, but Jesus have mercy, God. Go on, Tyler. Yes, Tyler. Go on, Ty. Yes, Ty. You see influence that you have on kids do. Go on, Ty. Yeah, Ty. Yes, Ty. Do it. Watch Kana.
Go, Katka.
See Kana, yeah. Kana, your turn, Kana. Yes, Kana.
Look, when you walk out that tongue, the first thing you want
Sarah.
to carpet beside you when you do Yeah.
Yes, Kana. Show them, Kana.
I'm not going to do
Show them, Kana. Kana is like a my turn. Jaja. Kana, you cheater, Kana. You cut the road, Kana. Kana cut the way.
Shut up on him again, Katka.
They're doing a race. Watch him foot. Wait, Tyler. Yeah, Ty. Yeah, Ty leading the
Look
pack.
the way Tyler is running. The same way when you
Same
run.
way Kana run.
When you run.
Come, Kana, man. Continue, Kana.
Same
Same way.
You run like Spider-Man.
Here, Kana.
Yes.
Oh,
Sister,
my
not tired.
God.
Huh? Push up on top of it.
Watch here. Go on with yourself.
Good, everybody. Push up on top. Give me one more. Ah. Ah. Well done. Good, Ty.
Uncle coaching Ty.
Good job, Ty.
Look at these little ones.
Good job, Ty.
Olivia.
Ollie on the slide.